Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Diwali. For today's video, I'm going to share a simple 3-ingredient detox mask. So let's jump into it. The first ingredient is going to be multani mitti. You guys know how much I love multani mitti. The second ingredient is going to be cocoa powder, an amazing antioxidant for your skin. And the last ingredient is going to be rose water. Again, an ingredient I absolutely love. Pretty simple ingredients, you might already have them. So I'm going to start off by adding the cocoa powder to the multani mitti in the ratio of 1:2. So 1 part of cocoa powder, 2 part of multani mitti. I'm going to mix them up and then I'm going to add my rose water to it and I'm going to start mixing it all together to get a nice creamy and rich mixture. You're looking for a semi-thick consistency and it should look really yummy too, but don't eat it. It's just for application. Now to apply this mask, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to take hot water and a hand towel. I'm going to dip my towel in there and then I'm just going to steam my face a little bit. This would just open up your pores and just make it a little bit more absorbable into your skin. Then I'm going to apply the mask using the back of my spoon because it just gives a nice even thick layer. You want to go for a thick layer because you don't want the mask to dry down on your skin. The biggest mistake that people do with clay mask is letting it completely dry. So you have a nice thick layer now and you don't want to keep it on for more than 10 minutes. You want to remove it once it starts looking something like this, just drying out on the edges. And once you remove it, your skin would feel so clean and so nice and just detoxed up nicely. At this point, you want to straight away jump in with your moisturizer and make sure your moisturization is sealed in because you've made sure that the clay mask doesn't dry out your skin, so you don't want it to get drier now. This is what my skin looks like. Please do try out this mask and I hope you will love it as much as I do. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Till then, take care. I love you all so much. Mwah. Bye.